Here is a beginner-level quality assurance quiz that covers quality control and testing frameworks, compliance and regulatory adherence, and defect tracking and resolution. Let's go. Question 1. Which of the following is the primary goal of quality assurance? A. Detecting defects after production. B. Speeding up product delivery. C. Preventing defects before they occur. And D. Reducing production costs. The answer is preventing defects before they occur. Question 2. Which phase of software testing ensures that individual components work as expected? A. Integration testing. B. Unit testing. C. System testing. And D. User acceptance testing. The answer is unit testing. Question 3. Which of the following is not a quality control (QC) technique? A. Inspection. B. Testing. C. Statistical process control. And D. Risk assessment. The answer is risk assessment. Question 4. What does ISO 9001 focus on? A. Quality management systems. B. Environmental safety. C. Financial auditing. And D. Information security. The answer is quality management systems. Question 5. Which regulatory body is responsible for pharmaceutical quality compliance in the United States? A. ISO. B. FDA. C. OSHA. And D. WHO. The answer is FDA. Question 6. What is the primary purpose of Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP)? A. Guaranteeing product quality and consistency. B. Ensuring workplace safety. C. Reducing production costs. And D. Enhancing employee productivity. The answer is guaranteeing product quality and consistency. Question 7. Which of the following is a defect tracking tool? A. Power BI. B. Trello. C. JIRA. And D. Visio. The answer is JIRA. Question 8. Which type of testing checks whether the software meets business requirements? A. Functional testing. B. Load testing. C. Performance testing. And D. Stress testing. The answer is functional testing. Question 9. Which of the following is a key step in root cause analysis? A. Guessing the cause of the problem. B. Identifying potential causes through data analysis. C. Ignoring minor defects. And D. Conducting unnecessary retests. The answer is identifying potential causes through data analysis. Question 10. Which of the following best describes a defect life cycle? A. The timeline of software development. B. The process of writing test cases. C. The total cost of fixing defects. And D. The stages a defect goes through from identification to resolution. The answer is the stages a defect goes through from identification to resolution. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which of these is a key characteristic of an effective quality assurance process? A. Proactive approach. B. Reactive approach. C. Ignoring minor defects. And D. Relying only on manual testing. The answer is proactive approach. Question 12. What is the purpose of compliance testing? A. To evaluate system performance. B. To ensure the software has no functional errors. C. To check if software meets regulatory and legal requirements. And D. To identify security risks. The answer is to check if software meets regulatory and legal requirements. Question 13. Which of the following is a preventive measure in quality assurance? A. Production monitoring. B. Bug fixing. C. Incident reporting. And D. Code reviews. The answer is code reviews. Question 14. Which testing method involves evaluating the software without executing the program? A. Static testing. B. Dynamic testing. C. Black box testing. And D. Regression testing. The answer is static testing. Question 15. What is the purpose of regression testing? A. To test individual modules. B. To check system stability after code changes. C. To test system performance. And D. To evaluate security vulnerabilities. The answer is to check system stability after code changes. Question 16. Which tool is commonly used for automated testing? A. PowerPoint. B. Excel. C. Selenium. And D. MS Word. The answer is Selenium. Question 17. Which document is used to map test cases to requirements? A. Test plan. B. Release notes. C. Test strategy. And D. Traceability matrix. The answer is Traceability matrix. Question 18. What does CAPA stand for in quality assurance? A. Continuous and process analysis. B. Corrective and preventive actions. C. Compliance and policy audit. And D. Customer assurance program. The answer is corrective and preventive actions. Question 19. Which of the following is not a part of a defect report? A. Defect ID. B. Defect severity. C. Developer's salary. And D. Steps to reproduce. The answer is developer's salary. Question 20. Which type of testing is performed after a fix to ensure that the defect is resolved? A. Unit testing. B. Sanity testing. C. Smoke testing. And D. Retesting. The answer is retesting. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.